Hey creators, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your imagination with getimg AI's AI image generator? Today we are diving into some top tips and tricks to help you craft the perfect prompts for stunning results. Let's get started! Tip 1. Be specific. Instead of general prompt like create a landscape, try something like a serene sunset over a lavender field with mountains in the background. The more details you provide, the better the AI can bring your vision to life. Tip 2. Use descriptive adjectives. Words like vibrant, dreamy or futuristic can add a unique flavor to your images. For instance, a vibrant futuristic cityscape at night can create a stunning visual experience. Tip 3. Combine multiple elements. Mix different themes and subjects for a richer composition. Try something like a futuristic spaceship landing in a medieval village during a festival. Tip 4. Experiment with styles and references. Use phrases like in the style of Van Gogh or inspired by cyberpunk art to guide the AI in the artistic direction you want. Tip 5. Use the Improve Prompt feature in getimg AI's image generator. This powerful tool refines your prompts, making them clearer and more effective. Simply click Improve Prompt to see the magic happen. Ready to create some amazing art? Head over to getimg.ai. Use these tips and watch your imagination come to life. Don't forget to tag us in your creations. Happy creating!